Hey guys, this is Steven Smith with Marinemax here in Houston, coming to you with a 2018 Boston Whaler Dauntless 24-foot Dauntless Pro with the actual raised station here. I wanted to start with the head compartment here and show you guys how spacious it is. This has got a pump out head, and then we were going to move forward to the bow and show you some of the seating up here. As with the 24 Dauntless, you know it's got these drop down seats here that you can remove with fish boxes built in underneath of them on both sides here. There's a fish box right here in the center compartment that you could double as a cooler. It is insulated. There's an anchor storage locker up in the front of the boat, which is nice. This boat's equipped with 2 live wells and tons of rod storage. You've got rod holders here at the front. This doubles as a seat, but it's also a recirculating live well. They really thought about everything and used all the space in this boat. As we move back around the side, you'll see your entrance to the station. You've got your steps here, and you can go up to the upper station where you can actually control and move the boat. This is really unique for a boat in this class and this size, and a really cool addition that Boston Whaler's added. Of course, it's got the thick SeaDeck matting on top of the helm for when you're standing up there and actually operating the boat. As we move back, you've got the leaning post with the drop-down seat cushions here, so you can still have your traditional position for operating the boat. And like I said, Boston Whaler really just knocking it out of the park. This specific boat has another live well back here in the back that's even bigger than the one in the front, so you've got plenty of space for bait or fish, etc. Some storage under the seats here, and then of course the backrests are removable and the cushions are removable, freeing up 4 more rod holders in the back. And this boat's actually powered by a Mercury 350 horsepower Verado. Really just some great innovation and a really high quality boat from Boston Whaler. Thanks for watching with us. This is Steven Smith with Marinemax here in Houston. Come see us today. Thanks.